Minimum of 20 years for men who kill 4 family members in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 2 men who were charged with the vicious execution-style killing of 4 family members in Havana Heights, Denby, Clarendon last month are to spend a minimum of 20 years behind bars. They have been identified as 38-year-old Oral Richards, alias Creamy, and 24-year-old Andre Bennett, otherwise called Hammer, both of Cherry Tree Lane, 4 Parts in Clarendon. They pleaded guilty to 4 counts of murder and 1 count of illegal possession of firearm on Friday. They appeared in the Home Circuit Court in relation to the murders of 25-year-old Sharona White and her sister, 32-year-old Tashana White. The sister's nephew, 19-year-old Luke Newman, and another relative, 27-year-old Michael Solomon. The 4 died in an early morning gun attack at their home. Richards was sentenced to 4 life sentences for each of the killing, but will serve 20 years in jail before being eligible for parole consideration. Additionally, he was slapped with a 20-year sentence for illegal possession of firearm, but all the sentences are to run concurrently, meaning that they will all run at the same time. Bennett, in the meantime, was handed a 20-year sentence for each count of the murder and a 10-year sentence for illegal possession of firearm. Likewise, his sentence are to run concurrently. It was reported that on Sunday, September 12 at about 12:10 a.m., the 4 family members were at home in Havana Heights when armed men gained entry to the house and opened fire at them. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, the victims were taken to the Maple Hospital, where all 4 were pronounced dead. Richards and Bennett were arrested and charged after the police launched a probe into the killings. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.